So in this video, we're going to create our line detection system. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up our game mode, that is our Tetris game mode over here. And then in the event graph, I'm going to create a new custom event. So search for add custom event. And I'm going to call this are there planes. And after that, just carefully follow along with what I'm doing, since there's a lot of nodes to create in our line, or more accurately, our plane detection system. Alright, so we are done with the code. So as you can see, it's quite really big. There's a lot going on in it. So we are both checking for planes, and once we have found a plane or a row and a column that's filled up, then we delete the cubes in that plane and we drag down the cubes above to that plane down to fill up the gap. So let's see if it all works. So I need to actually fill up a row. Alright, so there are a couple of issues. Let me just quickly fix them up. So I made a couple of mistakes in my nodes that's causing the issue. And I also made a mistake with the default positioning of my camera. So in our BP Tetramino blueprint, we have these set of nodes over here. And I made a couple of mistakes while implementing this. Firstly, I want to get rid of this node over here, the spawn new piece, as that's causing a lot of issues. And then we're just going to select all these nodes and then cut them and paste them in our spawn cubes function over here. And then connect the completed pin of our for each loop onto our nodes over here. We need to add the set actor enable collision node to avoid an issue that I will explain in the next video. After that, I want to change the keys for our rotation, since it's a bit difficult for my fingers to reach those keys while I'm moving the piece around using the VSD keys. So I needed to change the keys for our rotation, and I changed it to F, G and H. Then I went to BB camera and changed some values to make the camera a bit easier for me to use. Alright, so with that done, I'm going to now run the game and try filling up a plane so you can see whether our nodes work or not. Alright, so as you can see, our plane actually works. All of the cubes that were in that plane got removed, and the remaining cubes above moved down by one block. So yeah, our nodes are now working, and I guess for this video we are done. In the next part, which is most likely going to be our final part, I'm going to explain how all of these nodes work, and yeah, we will be done with this tutorial series. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and see you later. Bye.